So given an array nums, we find running sum of an array as a index of running sum, whatever number that we're on, or whatever index that we're on in running sum, is equal to sum num0, whatever this is. And we're supposed to return the running sum of nums. So all we're meant to do is just take the current value that we're on, the current item that we're on, the current index that we're on, whatever. It's just the current value that we're on. We add to that all the previous values that we've seen in the list. So for 1, there are no previous values, so we just add 1 to output. 2, we add 1 to 2, which is 3, so we add 3 to output. 3, 2 plus 1, right? And then so on and so forth until we reach the end of the list. So we need to initialize 2 variables, output and count. Output will track our numbers that we're putting into it, and then count extracts the sum of all the previous numbers. So we iterate over each item in nums. For each item in nums, we're going to append the item plus the running count. And then we want to change the count to include the item that we just iterated over. And then we return output. Okay, this returned correct because we created an output. We returned we created the variable that we were going to store our response in. We created a count to keep track of the sum of all the previous variables in the list. And then we iterated over the list. We took the item that we were iterating over. We added the item plus the count, plus all the previous numbers that we've seen in the list. And then we added that item to output. And once we were done with nums, then we returned the output.